Hey guys, it's Angel. Sorry it's been a while since my last video, but I have a super exciting video for you guys today. I am going to share with you my new car that I got. I have a Tesla Model 3 long range version and it is a wonderful car. I love driving it. I'm super excited to share it with you in today's video and get an up close look for those of you who are interested in Model 3 or wondering what it's like to drive or be inside one. So here's my up close video, and with that, let's get started. Alright, so this is the inside of my car. Welcome. And it's really hot today, so sorry guys, I am blasting the AC. It is literally 94 degrees out according to the thermometer here. So first off, this car is pretty minimalistic inside. If you've seen photos of it, you'll notice that there's literally just one kind of dash, almost like a tablet in the center of the car console. And the center console is where you see everything. It's where you see the quick controls. You control the AC. Also, you control your music from there. Basically, all the controls are on that tablet. It's pretty cool, actually. I'll get more into that in a bit. But then here in the center, we've got a place for cup holders. Then there's a little area here where you can store stuff. Oh, and really cool, I saved this for you guys. As part of the Model 3, they give you these little USB cables, but basically you can use this to hook up your phone. So you put your phone here in the center, and then if you want to charge, you use these USB ports. I haven't put this together, but it's really cool, so you can literally just put your phone there and charge your phone while you're driving. So that's kind of cool. Then in the center, we also have a little place here to store stuff. I actually put my charging adapter here. So this is for charging if you have a different plug and you're not at a supercharger or you're not at a Tesla supercharger. You use this adapter so that way you can plug in and charge up if you need to. Then we've got the glove compartment over here. And to open the glove box, we literally click on the car. There's the glove box button right here, and voila, glove box opens. Now above me, since I got the long range model, I also got the premium package. I have a glass sunroof, so you can see that. It's all glass. It's actually really cool, especially if you're a passenger in the back, because it feels like you have a big skylight over your head. So it feels really wide and open. So if you have tall people, it's really, really nice for them in the back. And here is the steering wheel. And I really like the feel of the steering wheel. It feels really nice on the hand. Plus your thumbs can go right over these wheels here. The left-hand side controls music. It turns it on with the push of a button. And you can skip to the next song if you go left or right on the wheel. Also, the right-hand side of the steering wheel allows you to do autopilot adjustments. So if the car is on autopilot, you can adjust the autopilot maximum speed. So you can go from 65 to 70 just by rolling the wheel up or down, or you can also control the car length. So with autopilot, you can adjust the number of car lengths you are from the person in front of you. And I usually like to keep that about 4 to 5 car lengths, but you can always adjust just by going left or right when you're in autopilot mode. So these little wheels on the steering wheel are super handy, and I really like how convenient and easy they are to use. Also, something different in this car compared to regular cars is that it has a push button to open the door. So literally all you have to do if you want to get out of the car is, instead of pulling a handle, you just push this one button. The window comes down a little bit and the door pops itself open. So literally all you have to do to get out is just push the door open. Also, something that's really cool is that there's USB chargers back there in case your passengers ever need to charge their phones. And there's cup holders in the back as well. You just need to pull down the center armrest between the seats. And girls, if you're wondering, there is a lighted mirror if you want to check out your makeup or your hair when you're not driving, of course. So that's pretty pretty much the inside of the Model 3. As you can see, it's pretty simple, it's minimalistic, yet you have everything that you need. You've got your cup holders, places to store your knickknacks or whatnot, a place to store your phone, a dedicated charger for your phone, which is perfect, and everything else is controlled on this dashboard in the center, and that's what really keeps this car clean and simple. Now, I know some of you may still like the buttons and the knobs and turning things where the volume is, but now all the phones pretty much, they don't have a keyboard and everything's pretty much touch, just like your iPhone. So I feel like it's kind of like that. Once you get used to the touch screen, I think it'll be very easy and intuitive to use. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but I think overall, keeping most of the controls on this dashboard keep things really clean and simple in the car. And as an added bonus, Tesla is always coming out with new features and they're always improving. So big thumbs up for over-the-air updates. Couple things that I think are really cool in this car. I won't show you everything, but here are just a couple basic items. The first one is driver profiles. And right now I've set up my driver profile here for easy entry. You can see in driver profile settings, you can add a new driver. I'm not gonna do that. This is just my profile here. Use easy entry, and easy entry is just where the seat moves back a bit further so you can get out easier when you enter and exit the vehicle. To the left of that, I've got a couple symbols. I've got the Tesla symbol. That's about your Tesla. You can see that I've named my Tesla Baby Dragon. You can name and rename your vehicle, but I like Baby Dragon, so Baby Dragon it is. To the left of that is LTE. That shows how much signal you have, cell signal. There's a Bluetooth signal because I have my phone paired up with this car. This symbol is the home link symbol, and Dragon's Nest is just my garage. So you can program your garage to open and close from here. That's kind of cool because you can set it up where once you get closer to your house, let's say within 10 or 20 feet, it'll open up when you approach, and then when you leave your garage, it'll close after you leave. And if you don't like auto open or auto close, you can always turn that off as well. To the left, there is the lock symbol, so you can lock and unlock your car. And on the very left-hand side is kind of like a car status. So right now I'm in park. You can see I can open the front or open the trunk. Or the charge port. And also, if you press this button here on the very lower left, that'll show you the backup cam or the rear camera. And sometimes I like having the rear camera on when I'm driving so I can see what's going on in the back, because it's much easier to see from this rear camera than it is from the rear view mirror. This button right here, the little lightning sign, you can see here I got 234 miles. And I could set my limit, so I usually leave it around 50% here for daily trip, but sometimes you can charge it higher or lower, and you can adjust this and set the limit. This is for charging, of course, and you can also schedule your charging. So you can set it to charge at 2 a.m. in the morning or 3 a.m. in the morning if you'd like. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot to show you guys is I got this little Model 3 car, like a miniature version. They gave this to me as a gift when I went to go pick it up at delivery, and it is supposed to be a miniature version of a red Model 3. And before I forget, I wanted to show you the keys that I got. This is one of the keys. It's basically the keys to the car. You'll need this for driving. You can also use your phone through the phone app, which is really cool, but you can also use this as well. I like to just keep this in my purse just in case. They say you should always have this as a backup just in case your phone doesn't work, but I don't mind carrying this because I just put it in my wallet. It's super thin anyways. And to use the car key, you just tap the key on the outside of the door right here. While we're outside, let me show you my wheels. They originally came with these aerial wheels or caps, and it totally reminded me of the Tron movie. Super futuristic, but not me. So I decided to take the caps off, which was super easy to remove. And then I bought some parts from the Tesla Service Center. I got some Tesla logo wheel caps and some wheel lug caps. And they were really easy to just snap in. And I don't know, I think it makes the wheels look so much better. But what do you guys think? With or without the area wheels? Post in the comments below and let me know. So that is my quick video tour of my Tesla Model 3 long range baby dragon car. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I know I could have gone into more detail about the different features of this car, what I like and what I don't like about it, but my battery is running low. I can already tell, it's flashing red at me, so I might save that for another video. But do let me know if you have any questions about my car, or if you do want to see more videos of my Model 3. Post in the comments and let me know. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!